In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Mailchimp. If you've ever needed to present pricing, schedules, or simple side-by-side information in an email, a table is a great way to keep things clean and readable. Let's walk through exactly how to add one using Mailchimp's editor, and I'll share a few email-friendly formatting tips along the way. Start by heading to Mailchimp.com. Once you're signed in, look for the campaigns area in the main navigation. This is where all of your emails live. Open campaigns, then choose the draft you want to edit. If you're working from a template, opening the draft will bring you into the email builder with your existing layout and content. Inside the builder, you'll see your design on the right and content options on the left. To add a table, you'll use the code content block, which lets you paste custom HTML. Find the option to add a new section or content block, then select code. Click and drag that code block into the exact spot where you want your table to appear, above a paragraph, below an image, or between sections, wherever it makes sense for your layout. With the code block selected, a code editor will appear on the left side. Paste your table's HTML there. A simple, email-safe table uses the basic tags: table, tr for rows, and td for cells. Because many email clients are strict about styles, apply inline CSS directly on the elements. For example, set a table width that fits your design, often 100% of the content area. Use border, 1px solid for clear dividers, and add padding inside cells with something like padding, 8px so your text has breathing room. If you want headings, use tehe for the top row and give it bold text and a contrasting background color for clarity. As you paste your code, the live preview on the right will update so you can see exactly how the table renders. Keep the structure simple, avoid complex nesting, merged cells, or external style sheets, since many email clients strip advanced CSS. If you need alternating row colors, apply inline background colors on each tr to td. For readability on mobile, limit the number of columns and keep content concise so cells don't feel cramped. When the table looks right, check spacing around it by adjusting margin or padding inline, and align it with the rest of your content. Mailchimp will save your changes as you go, but it's a good idea to confirm everything looks consistent throughout your email. That's it. Your table is now part of your campaign and ready to go.